So I am Emily. I am from Denmark and I am right now here in Namibia. I am doing my master's project in collaboration with Donkerbos, which is here. And I am here to study hand gestures. So how to use your hands when you are talking and how you would use them naturally inside a VR system like this one. Donkerbos is in the middle of the Kalahari Desert. And here is the community called the San. They are kind of isolated and have their own traditions and their own culture. So they don't get a lot of exposure to people from the outside coming in, which makes it ideal for this hand study. When they try VR, it will be something like the first thing they try it out. So they will not have this legacy bias of knowing how to use interfaces like everybody else in Europe. So a lot of them really want to try it out. And when they try it out, you can actually see how they're like looking around and okay, what is this? And kind of experiencing what is VR. And now they are also learning how can they use the system for their own ideas and also how they can use their hands inside of a VR system. When I was here the first time, I made a hand gesture study where I gave them some assignments where I could see how they would use their hands to describe certain things. And then I took those gestures and made it into my design basis. So now I had seen how they used their gestures and I had a discussion with Heike about how I could make this system also relevant for them and also for me. So I made this system like they're playing right here in the background, where they have to design this area we're standing in, their own campsite, so they could have a way of visualizing it and still using gestures and buttons to move it around. And after they had been inside of the VR, I had a discussion with them about what they thought of the system, if they like the buttons or if they would like to use their hands more. So we had this whole collaboration of how they wanted this system to develop in the future. So they have this co-design of the system, so they can also help develop it the way they want it, so it has relevance for them.
So my job was I was also helping to work with my colleagues, and then I find it very interesting.
There is a collaboration between Aalborg University and University. Where I have a supervisor here in Namibia, Professor Heike Theophilis, and she has this collaboration with ICTechhub and Donkerbos. That is how I can be here doing my research.
Actually, what I finally want to say, I would like to say thanks for the University of Science and Technology for the cooperation with the communities, and then we want to welcome them and we wish them to work with us more in the generation, and then together we can do better, and we hope in the future then we will change our lifestyle.
Ja.